Wow, another Ding Ding's Dim Sum special. Am I obsessed with dim sum lately? Could be true. Today, we're making steamed chicken and fish maw, also known as min fa gai. If you like soft and juicy chicken, this dish is for you. Let's get started. Start by cutting the chicken into slices like this. To marinate the chicken, you'll need chicken bouillon, sugar, white pepper, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, grated ginger, and sesame oil. Give it a mix, then add a little cornstarch. Mix well and marinate for a minimum of 1 hour. For the Chinese mushrooms, soak it in water for about 2 hours. Then, use a little cornstarch to wash thoroughly. Add a little bit of oyster sauce and mix. Now we can blanch the fish maw. Simply add a few slices of ginger and some green onions to a pot of boiling water. Then add the fish maw. Continue to cook on medium-low heat while pressing down on the fish maw so it fully softens. After 10 minutes, we can give it a quick rinse. Then squeeze out all the excess water. Now cut into small pieces. Then add a little bit of oyster sauce as well. You don't need too much seasoning for the fish maw because after you put the chicken on top and steam it, all of those chicken juices will trickle down and the fish maw will absorb all of that deliciousness. Now, let's line up the fish maw on the bottom. Add the chicken. Then add the mushrooms. Cover and steam for about 15 to 16 minutes. That's it. Now we can eat. If you don't have fish maw, you can still make this recipe with only chicken and it will be just as good.
真係好滑捋捋，仲滑過啫喱啊！
If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.